How fast should you charge your batteries? To know how fast your battery should be charging, it's important to refer to the battery specifications or its manufacturer and follow its recommended charging procedures to ensure proper charging. If you can't find it or not sure, generally for nickel metal hydride, nickel metal cadmium, and lithium-based battery packs, we recommend charging them under a C rate of 0.5 C. What this means is that you shouldn't charge them from 0 to 100% in under 2 hours because fast charging can cause the battery to overheat and lead to reduced battery life or even permanent damage. To help extend the life of your battery, you can use this formula to calculate the charger charging current. The max charge current equal to the battery rated capacity in amp hour multiplied by 0.5 C. If your battery capacity is in milliamp hour, you'll need to convert it to amp hour by dividing it by 1000. Let's use this battery for example. It has a rated capacity of 2000 milliamp hours. I'll divide it by 1000 to convert it to amp hour, which is going to be 2 amp hours. The maximum charge current will be 2 amp hours multiplied by 0.5 C equals 1 amp. So now, you can set the charger charging current at any value less than 1 amp. Just note that constantly charging the battery at its maximum charge current will produce more stress on the battery and reduce its lifespan. So instead of charging your battery at 0.5 C amp, you can also charge it at a C rate of 0.2 C. It will take longer to charge, but better for the battery. And in this case, the charge current at 0.2 C is 0.4 amp. I'll change the charging current setting to 0.4 amp. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching! I hope this video helped you find out how fast your batteries should be charging, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.